Hi everyone, Dr. Yalif here, plastic surgeon in Atlanta, Georgia. Where does Botox go to make the 11s go away? We have our wonderful fine young patient here as our demo. Rebecca, do me a favor, make an angry face for me. There we go. You see those two 11s right there and there? Those are the corrugator muscles pulling the brow towards the center, making those two lines that are the 11s. What we're going to do is inject right there, make that angry face again, and you can see the tail end right here and right here. In this way, the corrugator will smooth out and she will no longer make those 11s for us. We're also going to treat what's called her midbrow lines. These are the lines that go across your forehead. Ready to surprise? There you go. We've got a few of those to work with too. I'm going to mark those out and then we'll come back for the injection. So we've just finished our Botox. We can expect it to kick in anywhere from 3 to 7 days and to last for upwards of 3 to 4 months before retreatment. Thank you for tuning in.